Hi everyone, I'll be presenting the shortcomings and wishlist section for our AI Study Buddy chatbot project. This covers the features we hope to implement but didn't and the future improvements we would love to see in the system. Throughout development, we had several great user stories and feature ideas from our project owner that unfortunately didn't make it into the final product. In this video, I'll walk you through these features, explain their value, and share what they could add to the user experience if included in the future. This is our current profile feature. It's the most lacking of our features right now because the edit button doesn't really edit what you're trying to say when you're trying to edit from the profile. And we used to have a change of password button that didn't work, so we took it down. We hope to in the future have these two buttons work and maybe add a dark mode setting or email verification so it has more things to see in the profile feature. First, in the wish list, we wanted to implement to let students speak their questions instead of typing them. This will make the chatbot more accessible, especially when students are on the go or multitasking. Implementing speech to text will allow more of a natural interaction. Then we also wanted to add a chatbot to automatically generate flashcards from each study session. This would turn important answers or points into a review tool, helping students with memorization and special repetition without any extra effort. We also wanted to allow students to take their own notes during sessions, whether that's jotting down examples, definitions, or summarizing what they learned into their own words. This kind of personalized note-taking helps reinforce understanding. They say they found an important information the chatbot provided. They can just, highlight it, put it on the side, make an extra note, and then there will be a little section on the dashboard for notes, and they can review all their notes from there for, in the future if they want it. One intelligent feature we couldn't finish was topic suggestions based on past activity. This idea was for the chatbot to analyze weak spots and guide students on what to review next, like a personalized study coach. We envisioned the chatbot being more like a tutor, guiding users from a multi-step problems or lessons, breaking down into smaller parts and walking through each one clearly. This would make complex topics less overwhelming. So let's say that learning the quadratic formula, the chatbot can explain step by step how to solve the quadratic formula for any type of problem that they encounter. And then that way they can say, oh, why are we doing this step? Why not to do that step? Etc. Multilingual support. To more students around the world, we hope to add multilingual support so they can interact with the chatbot. This can be, instead of the bookmarks, it will say the word in a different language, let's say Spanish, French, Italian, and whatever features we have, they will all transform to that language to access different people with different language barriers so they can learn better. Lastly, we wanted to let students edit or annotate previous sessions, so this will help them correct any mistakes or add their own insights after the conversation ended, turning their session's history into a personalized study log. For example, in ChatGPT, you made a comment and then you realize that Zan doesn't have enough information, so you go back and add more information so the chatbot's answer is more accurate. And as you can see, you can just go back to the first question that you made, or you can go back to the second question that you made the same way. All these features reflect a shared goal, making the AI Study Buddy smarter, more personalized, and easier to use. While we couldn't include everything this time, these ideas form a great roadmap for the future. And thank you so much for watching.